Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete your Indeed job search account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is to make sure that you have your Indeed job search account downloaded with your account logged in. So after your confirmation, you need to click on your app, which will redirect you to this kind of interface. Now here all you need to do is scroll down where you can find your email address which you had entered. So now you need to click on your email account and click on the account settings. So once you click on account settings, you will see that there is an option of close my account. So now all you need to do is click on it, which will then ask you for the reason why you want to delete your account. So you can choose one reason and click on close my account option. So this is how you close your Indeed job search account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us the thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.